This is a poem from the book Unchained Poetry by Shuey, read by Net. It is entitled The Sound of a Tear. A simple tear can do so much. It can create a kingdom in which the very creator wipes away the tear before it hits the face. It sometimes generates a breeze of wind that lingers. He gets into the origin of the tear and pits the groan that we might bear it. It's not easy to be lonely, have friends, yet be friendless in the sense. The effect is we see clearer as the day approaches. He hears the cry of our inner being, and before the thought manifests that would cause disarray in our world, serves to dispel the dark forces, move them to the light, and we, albeit, go through.